Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Trello's Card Snooze and Hide feature. This is a fantastic tool to keep your board clutter-free and stay focused on your tasks. Firstly, let's start by opening up Trello and navigate to a board of your choice. Now that we've done that, pick a card you want to snooze or hide. The reason we do this is to identify which tasks we need to put in the back burner or hide from our current view. Secondly, click on the card and you'll see a menu appear on the right side. Scroll down and find the option Snooze or Hide. This helps us because it allows us to control what we see on our board, making it easier to manage and less overwhelming. Now to snooze a card, click on Snooze and select a time frame, anything from a few hours to a few days. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The card will disappear from your board for the selected period of time. It will automatically reappear when the snooze period is over, which is a fantastic way to schedule tasks for later without forgetting about them. For hiding a card, click on Hide. The card will disappear from your board completely. But don't worry, it's not gone forever. You can always find it in the Hidden Items section. Let me explain why this matters. This feature is perfect if you have cards that are not currently relevant, but you still need to keep for future reference. Finally, to unhide a card, go to the Show menu option at the top right corner of your board. Select More and then Hidden Items. Click on the card you want to unhide and it will reappear on your board. This is a critical step as it allows you to bring back tasks when they become relevant again. And there you have it. That's how you use Trello's Card Snooze and Hide feature to better manage your tasks and keep your workspace organized. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay productive.